This is the SportAir workshop for electrical systems and avionics. We start out with the very basics on what you need to wire your aircraft together, how to calculate the minimum wire size, and then how to build that up into a full electrical system for the aircraft. And then we also cover the avionics involved with it.
You learn about it in theory, and then you get to put it in practice. And then afterwards, so it kind of recaps, like, this is why we did all these things.
We do 4 projects. On the first morning, you can expect to do a crimping exercise, which represents how all the wiring would go together on your aircraft. We do the headset intercom system, and again, that's applicable to all avionics.
Check, check, check. I can hear myself. Good.
We do a coaxial cable connector. And then, of course, the final exercise is the simulated wiring of an instrument panel.
You can read about it and watch somebody do it all day long, but it's not until you actually physically get to do it that you're like, oh, I get it now. And it just kind of clicks.
I'm building a Vans RB10, and this has been the biggest fear I had about building an airplane was, how am I going to wire it? And after taking this, it's kind of taken a little bit of the edge off. I feel like I could do it.
And that's the idea behind these classes, to kind of get you up over the hump and get you started.
It was very educational in that way, that you just pick up little nuggets here and there, or stuff that you didn't even know you were looking to know. So it's been great.
Absolutely happy that I took the class. I would recommend the class to anybody, no matter what your skill level or knowledge level is. I do feel much, much better about doing the wiring for my aircraft.
The classes usually end up being a lot of fun. This is not like a college lecture or lab exercise. This is friends helping friends build their airplanes.